Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in exploring the Edit tab for Google Slides using your computer. Let us be familiar with Google Slides by identifying the functions and commands available on its ribbon. Below the title bar of your presentation is the ribbon. The ribbon consists of the tabs and the command buttons. The second tab in Google Slides is the Edit tab. The Edit tab keeps the command buttons for different actions. When you reverse your most recent command action, click the Undo button. When you wish to return to the action after you have clicked Undo, click the Redo button. As long as you highlight a text or an image on the slide, you can copy and remove it when you use the Cut button. When you click Paste, what you cut is pasted wherever your cursor is on the slide. As long as you highlight a text or an image on the slide, you can copy it when you use the Copy button. The text stays wherever it is. When you click Paste, what you copied is pasted wherever your cursor is on the slide. When you click Paste without formatting, after you copy the text that you pasted does not retain its original format. When you highlight a text or an image on the slide, you can remove it without copying when you use the Delete button. When you click Select All, it will highlight all the text and images on the slide. Then you can apply other commands like delete, cut, or copy. When you click the Find and Replace button, a new command box opens up for the next set of commands. When the new command box opens, type a word or phrase that you are looking for in the Find box. You can find the word or phrase highlighted on the slides. You can also type a word in the Replace With box. The word replaces the one that you have previously typed in the Find box. You can find the next tutorial video on exploring the View tab for Google Slides using your computer. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.